So by now you've already received your Toronto vacant home tax letter in the mail, and this is just a reminder to fill that out before February the 2nd. If you're a buyer though, this is still relatively important to you right now if you're trying to get into the market and purchase a property in Toronto. I'm Michael Luzes. I'm a realtor in the Greater Toronto Area. If you can hit that like and subscribe button, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And if you ever want to book in a call with me, click on the first link in the description down below. So I've already done a video on the Toronto vacant home tax. And in this video, I just want to go through an important section to remember if you are an owner and if you're a buyer looking to purchase in Toronto. If you jump over to the Toronto vacant home tax website and you scroll down a little bit, there's a tab that says change of ownership and the vacant home tax. In this tab, there's a couple implications for property transactions for both purchasers and vendors. So it's the responsibility for the purchaser and vendor to make appropriate arrangements to ensure that the declaration has been filed. The vacant home tax will form a lien on the property and any unpaid taxes will become the purchaser's responsibility. So if a closing occurs between January 1st and the closing of the declaration, which is February the 2nd, the vendor must complete the declaration prior to closing, as only the vendor will know the property's occupancy status for the prior year. If closing occurs after February 3rd, purchaser must submit a declaration the following year. Purchaser qualifies for transfer of legal ownership exemption. That's it, just a couple things to take note of. I just thought that since I saw them this week, I thought I'd throw a video of it and get it out there just so there's no stone left unturned when it comes to this Toronto vacant home tax. If you haven't received the letter in the mail for whatever reason, or if you haven't been to the property, if you're a landlord or whatever, you still have to fill that out. So maybe just go to the City of Toronto website and you can get all the information you need to fill it out right on the website. You actually don't need the letter. The letter just has the assessment roll number and things like that to make it a little bit easier. But if you're paying taxes or anything like that, you would have those numbers anyways. I'm Michael Luzes. Thanks for watching.